Close your eyes for a sec and picture yourself drowning in cash, not because you kissed some corporate ass or bought into a pyramid scheme, but because you cracked the code the money gods pray you never find. The world's a meat grinder of suits and scams, telling you wealth's a privilege for the sleepless, the connected, the lucky. Bullshit. I'm here to tell you making money is so easy, actually. It's like stealing candy from a kid who's already crying. Forget the 9-to-5 chains and the influencers selling you dreams they don't live. I've got the dirt on how to rake it in without losing your soul or your sleep. Want to spit in the face of the grind and walk away richer? Let's tear this lie apart, brick by brick. Money's the carrot they dangle while they whip you with the stick. Everywhere you look, it's the same con. Bosses tossing you pennies while they yacht on your sweat. Ads screaming you're one app away from millions. Your buddy bragging about his side gig that's just him begging for Venmo tips. I've stumbled through this swamp myself. Worked a job where the paycheck barely covered the coffee I needed to survive it. Chased a sure bet stock tip that left me eating ramen for a month. The planet's obsessed with making you feel small if your wallet's light. Like you're a failure unless you're drowning in gold by 30. But I'm calling it. The game's rigged, and I'm not playing their rules anymore. You shouldn't either. Think about the last time you tried to make it. Maybe you scrolled job boards till your eyes bled, only to land an interview with a guy who thinks $10 an hour is generous. Or you shelled out for a business course that taught you how to lose friends and money at the same time. Been there? Got the receipt? Me? I once hawked a beat-up guitar for $15. Felt like a king till I realized I'd spent $20 on gas to deliver it. We're all suckers for the dream. That one big score that'll fix everything. But it's a ghost we chase while the bills pile up like a bad joke. The truth? Cash isn't hiding in some golden vault. It's right under the mess we're too scared to touch. Those money experts are the worst clowns in this circus. They'll tell you to invest in yourself. Yeah, I invested in a $30 ebook that told me to wake up at 4 a.m. and visualize wealth. Guess what? My alarm clock's still pissed and my bank's still laughing. Or they push networking. I networked once, ended up with a drunk guy's business card and a hangover. The real kicker? Every time I followed their playbook, I'd end up broker than before, staring at my fridge like, guess it's bread crusts again. The advice is a trap. Either too vague to use or too insane to try, and I'm over it. Money's the world's favorite dick measuring contest. Every schmuck with a selfie sticks out there, flexing stacks they probably borrowed from their mom. You've seen the posts. Some dude in a rented suit crowing about his $1 million mindset while you're counting quarters for laundry. It's a global fever. From Sao Paulo's favelas to Tokyo's skyscrapers, we're all clawing for the same scraps, told it's noble to bleed for it. Our heads are stuffed with fairy tales. Work hard, win big, but it's more like running a race where the finish line keeps moving. I'd rather burn the track down than sprint another lap for nothing. And don't get me started on the money machine. It's a beast that eats the little guy and spits out billionaires. You've got CEOs swimming in cash while you're dodging overdraft fees like landmines. The landlord's knocking, the car's gasping, and your phone's buzzing with ads for shit you can't afford. It's a symphony of suck. They want you tired, broke, and guilty. Why aren't you rich yet? What's wrong with you? Nothing's wrong with you. Everything's wrong with them. I've had it with a script that says wealth's a reward for pain. It's a lie, and I'm here to rip it up. So here's the raw deal. No steps, no bullshit. Just how to make money without kissing the ring. Look around you. There's cash in the chaos you're ignoring. That old chair in the corner? Snap a pic, slap it online, and some weirdos paying $10 for it before lunch. Got a voice? Rant about your day into your phone. Someone's desperate enough to tip you for it. I did this, recorded a 2-minute gripe about my neighbor's dog, threw it on a random site, and some nut sent me $5 to keep going. It's not glamorous, it's grimy, and it works. Don't wait for permission. Take what's yours. Know how to fix a tire? Charge the guy next door $20 to save his ass. Got a knack for insults? Write them down, sell them as birthday cards. I made $15 that way once, cackling the whole time. The trick's in the dirt, small, ugly wins that pile up while the hustlers are still polishing their LinkedIn. You don't need a suit or a seminar, you need guts to grab the scraps everyone else is too proud to touch. Making money's so easy, actually. It's less about brains and more about not giving a damn what they think. Here's the gut punch. Forget big money fantasies. That's a carrot for donkeys. Chase the small stuff. $5 today, $10 tomorrow. And watch it grow while you're still breathing. I stopped dreaming of mansions after a vending machine stole my last buck. Now I measure rich by how many beers I can grab without wincing. Cut the fat. Ditch one subscription. Brew your own coffee. Save a few bucks without crying about it. I swapped takeout for a $2 loaf and some cheese. Still eating, more cash. It's not sexy, it's survival, and it's yours if you stop chasing their rainbow. Bottom line, making money is not a war. It's a street fight you win by dodging the rules. Screw the suits, laugh at the scams, and claw your cash from the cracks they ignore. What's one grimy little hustle you're pulling today to pocket some change? Spill it in the comments. I want to hear the filthiest trick you've got. And if it's lame, lie better. I'm not your accountant. Hit that like if you're ready to rob the game blind. Subscribe and smack the bell so you don't miss the next heist. And see that video flashing up now? It's me torching fitness lies. Click it. Because getting fit's so easy actually, you'll be stacking wins like a thief in the night.